Happy 4th of July, good people. What is up? Your girl, Sweet Angel, and Little Royal here. We are heading to a family function this 4th of July. So, y'all, I'm looking kind of red back here, or maybe it's my sunshades making it appear that way. I don't know. But, y'all, it is 4th of July. Can you believe it? I mean, over half the year is gone. It's done left us. It's gone, right? Say hi. Say what's up, beautiful babes. What's up, beautiful babes? You're not talking? Okay. Well, we'll be heading there. I'm probably going to get a little bit of footage today. And let y'all enjoy some of these festivities and stuff we be doing around town. Okay, so I'll see y'all in a minute. I'll call you back.
Grandma's cooking in the kitchen, got that peach cobbler glow. Kids running through the backyard, chasing fireflies in a row. Uncle's on the grill with a cold drink in his hand. A family full of love and a freedom we all understand. The sky's about to light up, oh, what a view. But the brightest stars tonight are sitting right here with you. 'Cause this red, white, and blue feels better with you. With every laugh, every hug, every tear we get through. Yeah, we're singing old songs, letting time roll by. Feeling free with my family on the 4th of July. This love is fireworks, lighting up the sky. Ain't no place I'd rather be than red, white, and home tonight. Auntie tells the stories from back in the day. Papa waves his flag high, proud in every way. Royals dancing barefoot, twirling in the grass. Mama says these little moments, they go by so fast. So we hold each other close as the stars shine bright, thanking God for another sweet Independence Night. Yeah, this red, white, and blue feels better with you. With every laugh, every hug, every tear we get through. Singing old songs, letting time roll by. Feeling free with my family on the 4th of July. This love is fireworks, lighting up the sky. Ain't no place I'd rather be than red, white, and home tonight. Let the sparklers glow, let the joy overflow, let the memories be the show. 'Cause freedom ain't just a word we say, it's holding hands at the end of the day. Yeah, this red, white, and blue means everything true. From the babies to the elders, every heartbeat in the room. We're singing old songs, letting time roll by. Feeling free with my family on the 4th of July. This love is fireworks, lighting up the sky. Ain't no place I'd rather be than red, white, and home tonight. Woke up this morning, sunlight on my face, coffee brewing slow, kids laughing all over other place. Life can be crazy, time just slips away, but I won't let another moment go without saying what I need to say. Give love every day, don't wait for a reason. Tell them you care in every season. A hug, a smile, a kind little word. Let your heart be seen and your soul be heard. Family's a treasure that won't fade away, so give love every day. Mama's in the kitchen, humming her favorite tune. Daddy's old story, filling up the room. Baby's growing faster than we can believe, so don't hold back, just let your love breathe. Give love every day, don't wait for a reason. Tell them you care in every season. A call, a prayer, a holding their hand. Stand by their side, help them understand. Family's a light when skies turn gray, so give love every day. We don't know the hour, we don't know the time, but love leaves a legacy, a sweet holy sign. So say what you feel and mean every line. Love like it's gold, 'cause it truly shines. Give love every day with all of your heart. You never know when the good Lord will start to call us home, but while we're still here, let love be the anthem your family hears. Time's too short to push it away, so give love every day. To my family, you are my everything, so I'll keep giving love every single day.